4 horsemen of cursed food logos. Kurkoping. WHEEZE. McDonald's. Ah! Get your nose 100. 11 p.m. Just one more YouTube video and then I'll go to sleep. 3 a.m. China. Teacher, what are you laughing at? Me. Nothing. My brain. Pikachu-choo. Blaziken Block. Minchino Cappuccino. Charizard. I shaved my eyebrows. You look stupid. You'll ever blow out your nose so hard that you activate noise cancellation? Yeah, scientists call it tinnitus. Me steals my asthmatic friend's puffer as a joke. My asthmatic friend. Help it. Aw, I'm sure they just love the joke. Me drinks the juice in the bottle because I was thirsty. Everyone else in my chemistry class. Parents, you don't have to come if you don't want to. Me, alright, I'm not coming then. Parents, you what? Wait, why'd you give me the options if you didn't want me to choose? Me is sitting in my class taking a test and it's dead silent. My stomach about to demonstrate a whale's mating call. If only it worked on actual girls. Why does it look like the mafia is trying to send a message to me? Me. Hey bro, that was a funny meme, lol. My friend. Well, yeah bro, I'm wheezing. Me. My friend. Yeah, I think LOL kinda lost its meaning a while ago. If uncomfortable was a picture. True story. Jesus can walk on water. I can walk on watermelons, which are 95% water. So I am 95% Jesus. Yeah, this is big brain time. Nobody. My brain at 3 a.m. Juice. Jew. Person. Sum up pain in one picture. Me. Wheels on a shopping cart be like, the forest at night isn't that scary. The forest at night. Press shift to run. Mom, am I handsome? I don't know, ask your girlfriend. But I don't have a girlfriend. Then you have your answer. That kinda hurted me though. Teacher makes a minor spelling mistake in the presentation. The entire class. Indian dude blows into a weird pipe. Snake. Teacher, today we're learning about me. Behold, the I don't care-inator. Me waking up. Please don't be 7 a.m. Please don't be 7 a.m. The clock, 8 a.m. Me. Oh no. New gaming toilet. Shut up and take my money! That rare moment when life is better than expected. KO 1 sibling. KO 2. Big brother. 14-year-olds now. You don't have a girlfriend. No, I do. She's just from another school. You don't know her, no! 14-year-olds in the Middle Ages. How's your wife? Dead. Friend, you talk about memes, like, a lot. Me, they define who I am. I mean, my entire life purpose is this channel, so you better like and subscribe, bro. Me has a wobbly tooth. Mom, leave it alone, it'll fall out naturally. Dad. Well, time to get the jackhammer. When your first answer on a test was right, but you changed it. Babies after you give them the wrong color plate. I said I wanted the blue one! Me rushing to the microwave late at night when there's 2 seconds left so I can turn it off before it beeps and wakes up my parents. Although honestly, I think the running is louder than the beeping. When the goofy/funny friend sends "love you guys" in the group chat at 3 AM. Oh crap, I haven't checked in on him in a while! My teeth. The teeth of a muffin sucker that lived 10,000 years ago. Me when I wave back to somebody, but then I realized that they weren't waving to me. Why must you hurt me in this way? Girls, pay $50 for a manicure. Guys. Me when you touch the metal part of the seatbelt in a hot car. Difference between dogs. Cats. Me browsing memes so my FBI agent can be entertained. What can I say except you're welcome? Girls with a time machine. I'm your good. Literally anyone with a time machine. Nice party, Mr. Hawking. Thank you for coming. When you throw up at 4 AM and you realize you have to wake up your parents and tell them. Oh no, they're gonna be so annoyed with me! Me launches a new book aimed at 9 to 12-year-olds. The kids. I don't use the term absolute unit often, but this chicken? Oh, that thing could be a bowling ball. Me. I want to do so much when I get home. Me 5 minutes after I get home. Never mind, I'm tired. 8:30 AM. 8:15 AM. Okay, time isn't even passing slow, it's going freaking backwards! They got an AI to play Tetris with the goal of surviving for as long as possible. It paused the game. When I eat my salad but I don't get an instant six-pack. Angry. Lamau, you have small pee-pee. I knew your mom couldn't keep a secret. I don't have to win, we just both have to lose. People visiting a country. People living in the country. When you think of the best comeback, but the argument was 3 weeks ago. The perfect mask doesn't exist. When you're playing the tutorials and still learning the buttons. Me trying to walk after looking at memes for an hour on the toilet. I'll never walk again! That kid that cussed out the teacher everyone hates returning from suspension. It's home home! Ho-ho meme. Me after drinking that special juice in the lava lamp. Are oranges named oranges because oranges are orange? Or is orange called orange because oranges are orange? Deep thoughts, huh? When you're an 8-year-old at a funeral for someone you didn't even know. What? Fun stream users when they see a literal vegetable. McDonald's, 24 hours open. Dang you! You traitors! When dad tells a terrible joke but you need $20. That's the best joke I've ever heard. Waiter, enjoy the food. Me, you too. Also me. That's when I had the brilliant idea of faking my death. What does IDC mean? I don't care. Alright then, keep your secrets. 5-year-old me after seeing the moon during the day. Excuse me. What? When you've had an argument with mom and then you hear her telling your dad a completely different story. Okay, I was giving you the benefit of the doubt before, but now it is on. When you become friends with an anonymous user online that you know nothing about. Me, has a tiny water droplet on my finger. Touch ID. I've never met this man in my life. When I'm telling a story to my parents and forget to leave out the illegal parts. Me, my mom. Ooh, that's gonna get me grounded for a while. Turns graphic settings up. Loses 40 frames per second. Turns them back down. Gains 10 frames per second? Just work already, you stupid computer! Gen Zers on their way to put skull at the end of literally every sentence. Literally all of them. Normal people. People who use the same spoon for peanut butter and jam. I mean, I know they're gonna get mixed up anyway, but still. Ugh. Waking up at 5 a.m. to go to school. Waking up at 5 a.m. to travel. When you accidentally used an emote.